आज ऐसे सब लोग शुरू करते हैं। तो अरिंदम सुन रहे हो हम लोग? आ रही आवाज?
आ रहा।
So good morning, participants. So today we have a session from Dr. Arindam Nag. He is working in DKAC Kisanganj as an assistant professor in extension education only. So we will be dealing today about Kobo toolbox. How many of you have used this software, Kobo toolbox? So this is a software for data collection. You must have used Google Forms, right? Google Forms or Microsoft Forms. So it is an advanced version of that. So with this you can easily do data collection, and you can incorporate different type of questions through this Kobo toolbox. So we'll be giving a hands-on also on this. So it will be a very informative session. So thank you, Arindam, and you can now start.
Hello.
You're audible. Please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Aditya, for inviting me to deliver this lecture on Kobo toolbox. And first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Arindam Nag, working as assistant professor in Dr. Kalam Agriculture College, Kisanganj. This is a constituent college under Bihar Agriculture University support. Here I have been posted from 2016 onwards. Before that, I was in Sabor only. So today, as the organizer decided to provide this lecture on Kobo toolbox, let me give a brief example or brief citation that what we did in previously. Actually, we have used this toolbox for digital data collection in one of our projects. This is a collaborative research project, ACIR funded, where players from team members from Bangladesh and Bhutan and India were collaborating under this project, and we have we did our baseline survey by using this Kobo toolbox. And I will share this this presentation. Within this presentation, that this how this Kobo toolbox can be used in digital data collection platforms, and also how we develop this form in Kobo toolbox, as well as this after developing this form in Kobo toolbox, how we can deploy it, and then also how we collect this data ultimately from the respondent, and how in which form we get this data, and all this we will do simultaneously. All the participants, I will be requesting all of you to get this exercise within this allotted time frame, wherein I will briefly discuss that digital data collection platform, as well as the basic structure of this toolbox, and then we will have an hands-on experience in this utilizing this Kobo toolbox. Perhaps I think that the participants here is from various disciplines of agriculture, preferably from social sciences, who are having experiences in data collection. And nevertheless, this whosoever is not in social science, they are also will be benefited, like when we go for certain a large number of team based research project, multidisciplinary, then also these things are used. So let me share first my presentation. Okay. Uh, uh, is this presentation is visible? I think it is visible. Okay. So first of all, this when we say this digital data collection, actually what we mean by this digital data collection, we will focus on that. But before that, to complete this lecture, I will be focused on with these two basic objectives. To understand the basic structure of Kobo toolbox and to effectively use this Kobo toolbox in digital data collection. So if we focus on digital data collection, now various platforms are coming up day by day, uh, where computer assisted personal interviewing methodology, basically what we call this is an CAPI methodology, where we use different kinds of digital assistants like our laptops or tablets like that, and then we collect data with with the help of this digital assistants. This increasingly replaced this questionnaire based personal interviewing method uh, in almost all the projects. If we consider large the external funders who are funding the various kinds of projects, they are increasingly dependent on this on data quality, and quality of data is very much ensured by this digital platform, where we will discuss one by one that there are lots of advantages over the personal interviewing method through paper based questionnaire. Now digital data collection covers the process of gathering, analyzing and sharing information electronically. uh, these are some data collection management part, where data reliability, data validity, uh, data integrity, data accuracy, data timeliness, and data security. All these things are very much considered when we go for digital data collection. As we know that reliability means that when we get the same data when we collect in repeated times, and validity means it is the basic question that addresses that are we measuring what we are supposed to measure. And the data integrity, it is this shows the lack of manipulation of data at various levels, where the constancy of data can be maintained. Then data accuracy or precision of data, this is more related to data reliability. And then timeliness of collection of data, as this data whenever we collect it, these are time stamp, date stamp, as well as the geographical stamp also be there. So data timeliness is ensured. Data security and confidentiality of data, as this data we collect from this digital assistant is stored in digital format instantaneously. So there is a loss of reduction of data lossing situation prevails. Now, various advantages if we see this digital data collection methodology, like it has it has potential to be deployed in remote location. Like we in general, what we do in creating online form, we generate some kind of link, and this can be shared across population over boundaries. So this remote deployment can be possible. Then real-time tracking, like when we after deploying certain kind of survey through digital platform, we can have this real-time tracking, like after deploying within 2 days how many forms submitted. This we can track. What are the progress we can track within the data collection, as well as this helps also in instant reporting also, as well as uh, to monitor whether the progress of data collection is going on uh, as per our proposed aims. Now, this is also environment friendly, as we replace the paper-based approach through digital modes. For large scale of survey, for collaborative surveys, this platform can be easily used. This can be co-created, these forms can be co-created, as well as the accessibility of this data can be shared also. Then speed and efficiency, it can be very much speeded, as this data collection can be done simultaneously. From in paper based approach, we generally do one by one survey, but here we can submit a large number of data in the same time. Then this Kobo toolbox or various digital platforms are available, which operates in offline modes also. So if you are going for data collection in an interior area where network is not available, then also you can collect this data through these various kinds of tools what are available in digital data collection. Then all these data in generally stored in a server, and then so data collected from remote location stored in a server that can be co-used by different participants or different project leaders. Then data aggregation and analysis. This is basically what we retrieve this data in Excel format or CSV files that can also be customized for our use. So these are the advantages of digital data collection. Now, if we see these different tools available for digital data collection, like we have Kobo toolbox that we'll address in later on. Then we have Open Data Kit. This is also a widely used format. Then RedCap, JotForm, Google Forms. These are some of the Smartsheet. These are some of the digital tools, available digital tools. Now, Kobo Toolbox is basically a free open source tool which gathers data, and it is basically started by Howard University under an humanitarian initiative. So basically, what we see is like in USAID programs, or various developmental agencies programs, they used Kobo toolbox in maximum cases, as it is a free and open source and usually very much helpful for humanitarian initiatives. Now, this has certain advantages, as I have mentioned, that this is an open source tool. It is absolutely free of cost. It is available, and also some of the variants are available in paid version, but free of cost version is equally suited for all the large scale project what we are think of. And then this can be used basically offline also, like in Kobo toolbox. Later on we will see that for data collection we use Kobo collect. One application is there, that name is Kobo collect, and that can be used in offline mode also. So these are the some of the advantages. Like I have said that free version of the this Kobo toolbox, this has 5,000 odd. You can have this kind of 5,000 number of submissions per month. That is freely available. So if you are doing certain kind of involved in certain kind of projects where sample size is to cover 5,000 or less you within a month, then that can be achieved by this Kobo toolbox. And one advantage is the unlimited collaborators can also join. So in free version, this facility is given also, that various collaborators from various locations can work simultaneously for developing certain format. Now, coming to the very basics of this Kobo toolbox, this Kobo toolbox basically uses an online form builder. This has certain methodology, like how we develop forms in Kobo toolbox. We'll see that we can develop Kobo tool for a certain format in Kobo toolbox in four different ways. So one such ways is to develop format in Excel and import this XLS form for developing this format. And then we can use this Encanto based web browser based data collection, or else we can use Kobo collect, which can work in offline mode also for collecting data. Now this is the Kobo toolbox platform. This is online available platform. This under this when we go to Kobo toolbox platform, we first in any software we need to sign up first, and then by using the information provided we need to sign in. So similar sort of mechanism is there for sign up and sign in. And after signed in to the Kobo toolbox,
Sorry to interrupt. So Arindam, they can try on their own. If you allow, they can try it on their own.
this we'll do it shortly, huh?
Okay.
We'll do it shortly. Okay. So this Kobo toolbox, after log into the Kobo toolbox platform, we then have four different options, like building it from scratch. Whatever your interview schedule you have prepared in Word file or certain in your memory, you can write it down from there also. Start it from there itself. So you can do this, or you can use a template which is available in library of this platform, or else we can have this XLS form like I have said, in Excel sheet, we prepare this format and then upload it or import it via URL. So these are the mechanism how we can develop this form in Kobo toolbox. Now, when we initiate this Kobo toolbox after login into Kobo toolbox, and then for initiating certain project for preparing this schedule, we can have this kind of image in the platform, like building it from scratch, use a template, upload an XLS form, like that we have discussed right now. And then you need to put your title of the project, and then a short description. It is not mandatory, but we keep it like a short description here. And then sector, different sectors are available, like developmental sector or medical sector, like that. And then country. After selecting these four options, we create a project. And after creating this project, we start this building of our form. So another thing, all these things will show in Excel, also in hands-on also. Like we have developed this Excel sheet for in XLS form, where different you can see this in below this three tabs are there. One is survey, another is choice, another is setting. Survey, choice, setting. These three are the basics to the to develop this XLS form. Then in survey, what we do? We put this like one column for type, which type of variable it is, then name of the variable, then level of the variable, then hint, any kind of hint, as our question here basically for the Hindi speaking personnel, so Hindi speaking farmers. So we put our Hindi translated form in the hint portion. Then the requirement, is it mandatory response required or not? Then we put accordingly false or true. Then relevant, what is relevant here? Like if certain questions before certain, here we use certain kind of logic, where before certain question, if it is mandatory to give answer yes, then they can say this question will appear for them. So this kind of relevant statement we made, like if certain kind of spouse gender, if the spouse question to the spouse, answer to the spouse, if you have spouse, if they provided yes, then comes the question that what will be his or her gender. So these things are put it there. Then we put certain constraint, like in G column we see the certain constant, where we put like whether number of children, we are asking question number of children, and if somebody is responding that we have 5 children, but before that they said that we have 4 members in household, how can it be possible? So we put certain constraint also in the encoded form, so that this abrupt response would not be elicited. And then certain constant message, this what this constraint equation means actually. So this kind of thing we develop in survey schedule. And another part is another tab is choice. In choice tab, we put the list name, and level, like variables name, and variables, how many options are there, these things, and that level we use. So this basically in XLS font we use this kind of mechanism. So we see these things comes this Kobo toolbox open platform. So we will have this short exercise where we will prepare a demo questionnaire where with 8 to 10 questions. This you can decide of your own and deploy for getting this response. So first of all, what we do, we will go to Kobo toolbox. So I have mentioned this website www.kobotoolbox.org. So you need to put this URL, that www.kobotoolbox.org, and after putting this one, you need to sign up.
Website 7.
So this one form I will show you.
This sign up. You have to select on this sign up after logging on to this website.
First sign up into the URL kobotoolbox.org. So after sign up into your account, please log in to your account by providing the information given by you during sign up process.
सेक्टर क्या डालेंगे? ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गवर्नमेंट एजुकेशन सर्विसेज. कंट्रीज ओपिनियन नहीं वो मिल गया ना आपका पास कुछ भी डाल दो कोको कोको
हो रहा है ना सबका?
वो चला ना.
So we will build from scratch. So after you prepare, after you log in into your account, go to.
Wait for some time.
Okay.
Government institution group. Sir, in that mention type, what which group?
Government institution. Government institution.
Sector.
Sector.
Educational educational services. Sector Kobo 25. In sector, what should we do, sir?
Special
Are we audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
In sector, what should we do? In sector. Sector.
Where?
Sector.
Next step.
Sector. Sector.
Sector. There any government or educational scheme is there?
Education is there. Humanitarian.
Higher educational.
Objection. Capital Kobo.
I think everybody logged into your account.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
User
So-
name क्या है मैडम?
कुछ भी लिख दो मधुमिता
अंडरस्कोर रहेगा तो स्पेशल कैरेक्टर
अंडरस्कोर ऊपर में देखो ना सीख देखते हो एक होता है डैश एक होता है अंडर
वो देना जरूरी है ना?
हाँ जी
So basically, let me show you what kind of account these things this shows in summary. Like we have a certain kind of baseline survey in a project. So we have this description. So this I told about this description is not mandatory. However, we write it down. So when we create a project in new tab, if you see it in left side your screen, there is a new tab. Then when you click in the new button, then you have build from scratch. So you can click this one in build from scratch. Now if we see this this summary format, like we have this status that is called deployed. Then like 459 questions this survey has. So this person basically he is the owner of this format. Then this is the first version that is deployed was on August 8, 2024. Then we collected data from after deployment to up to October 24, 2024. So this
सर एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए ना सर।
sorry, हाँ, yes.
एक
Yes.
बार सर फिर से बता दीजिए डिप्लॉय कैसे, इसमें कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है सर हमारा वाला स्क्रीन में।
Yeah, this one you can see this status called deployed.
नो ये सर लेफ्ट साइड में दिख रहा है डिप्लॉयड ड्राफ्ट आर्काइव दिख रहा है, बट जो माय प्रोजेक्ट्स है उसमें कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है।
Then in summary button you are seeing this summary screen.
समरी भी नहीं दिख रहा है सर, समरी
नहीं दिख रहा है।
नहीं सर
हमारे से सर बैठ जाइए एक बार, फिर से बैठ जाइए।
किसी का नहीं दिख रहा है सर, सिर्फ मेरा नहीं, किसी का नहीं दिख रहा है।
Just a minute.
मधुमिता दिखा क्या है?
नहीं सर
अभी दिख रहा है कुछ मैडम स्क्रीन में?
हमें क्या क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा कोई प्रोजेक्ट नेम जैसे आपने क्रिएटेड है?
नहीं, अभी क्लिक कीजिए। किस पे क्लिक? अच्छा वो ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड।
अभी माय प्रोजेक्ट्स बटन, इज देयर विजिबल एनी माय प्रोजेक्ट्स बटन, माय प्रोजेक्ट्स टैब?
My project is empty.
Now this summary sheet is visible or not? This summary form
No sir.
not visible. Okay.
आपको लगता है प्रोजेक्ट बना हुआ है, माय प्रोजेक्ट में कुछ है?
No. Oh, in your screen you will not see. As this is already deployed by our project team and we have collected data, this summary sheet is available in my login. ये मेरे लॉगिन में ही दिखेगा अभी, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने अभी तक फॉर्म ही बिल्ड अप नहीं किए हैं और फॉर्म से
फॉर्म फिल अप नहीं किए सर। क्रिएट वो फॉर्म कैसे क्रिएट होगा?
हाँ, फॉर्म क्रिएट में मैं आ रहा हूँ। मैं पहले इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन करके मैं फिर उसमें जा रहा हूँ फॉर्म क्रिएट।
अच्छा ठीक है सर।
तो ये बेसिकली ये जो समरी शीट है ये हमारे दिस वाज फ्रॉम आवर लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट where we had 459 questions and last deployed on August 8, 2024 and latest submission, the last submission we have on October 24, 2024. Total we have 286 data, 286 sample observation. So this is the summary. Now coming to the form part. Just a minute. So this is another project where we built a form like the overall form shape is like that. with different kind of question. You can see different blends of questions are there. According to the requirement, we put different questions and different types of answer keys where it is required. So coming to the different formats are available. We will go one by one to see how this can be built in your Excel sheet, in your Kobo format. So for that, we'll go to first new tab, build from scratch. There you put a title of your project. Put the title of your project, enter a short description, then sector, educational sector and country, whatever it is, you put this one and then create a project. Then create a project. So after creating project, you will have a screen where showing certain kind of plus button. Is there any plus button showing?
Yes, sir. Add question.
So you can click on this plus button and add your question.
Projects आया मेरा, my project. Summary. ये वाला तो आया आपका flow.
सर कंट्री नहीं ले रहा है, क्रिएट हो गया क्या? लिख दी नहीं ले रहा है. प्लीज सेलेक्ट एट लीस्ट वन वर्ड. देखा?
Sir, it is asking for the projects. There are no projects to display.
First go to create project.
How to create?
मुझे वाला बनाए अपना साइट कहाँ?
First go to create project. Once you created a project with name and description, then you will have, after clicking on this project, you will have a certain plus button, and if you click on this plus button, you can add your question. If you add question, then coming to the response part, you can have this different kinds of options are available. Like what kind of is it a rating scale? Depending upon your response to the question, you will select a particular type of question. Like if it is a rating scale, then you have rating. If it is a numerical values, the question comes out, then you can have this numerical like that.
Google form we create in Google form.
Sorry.
जैसे Google form में like we create like that only ना?
हाँ, you can बस इसमें सिर्फ आपको प्लस साइन में क्लिक करके वो जो 12-14 ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है उसमें से अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रेस्पॉन्स कैटेगरी यू नीड टू सिलेक्ट वन, एंड आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग देन you will have certain options to be put into. Like first question, maybe you put a question like what is your name? Yeah, name of the respondent. Name of the respondent is the first question. Then what sort of category you will choose? This is not working in my
प्रोजेक्ट नेम आया है,
प्रोजेक्ट नेम डाल दो, कुछ भी डाल दो, डिस्क्रिप्शन में कुछ डाल दो, इंडिया और वो सब डाल के क्रिएट करिए, फिर आएगा प्लेटफॉर्म.
इसमें तो स्टेटस ओनर डेट मॉडिफाइड ये सब न्यू आ रहा है, सारे
बिल्डर स्क्रैच. Madam, you have not created all the
না না বাংলা শিখতে বলছে খুব পরিশ্রম লেগেছে এমনি শিখতে শিখে যাবে না তোমার কিন্তু পরিশ্রম আমার কিন্তু পরিশ্রম অবশ্যই লেগেছে না তো না ভাই আপনি প্রপার কি বলা যায় এটা বর্ণ পরিচয় কিনে বর্ণদের সাথে না মা বাবা খুব মেলা যাবে আমার মাথা কপালে
So if have you put any question?
Yes,
So let me show you. Like if you are putting a certain question, like add a question. Huh? Sorry. You need to put like here you put you need to put question like respondent's name. Name of respondents. Now then add questions. Now what is the response type? Name of respondents. It will be text. It will be text. Then we select text. So now the form will collect this information in textual format. So then also if you have any other question like this one, do you consent to participate in this study? So this one, which type of like if we add certain question like are you willing to participate in the survey? Then add question. What type of answer we will get here?
yes or no.
Yes or no?
Option.
Oh, this one. No. Just a minute. So basically what we need to do is to try, we put to trial and error method to put all these options. Like we have different kinds of like we will show that one. Do you consent to take participate plus there? So here. So here is certain kind of option is there. Yes. No. Like that. You can put another if not applicable. Can put also like that. So there also you can put different kinds of option. What I intended to show you, like here you can see various kinds of I'll show you various kinds of scales are there. Like we have rating scale that is used maximum cases, rating scale and ranking. If you need to, if you are having certain variables, list of variables 5 or 6, you will you need to put like what are the item to be ranked. Like let me say that there is you require 3 choice. You require from the respondent, that is you need to identify most 3 important communication source from your perspective. Then what will be the and you have list of choices here. Like you have certain mass media. Then you have certain personal localized sources. Certain personal cosmopolite sources. Like that, you have different. Now like that you have different option. Now when we go to form part, like if we go here preview form, then also you can check like Google font. You can check this one also. Here this ranking. Where is that? Just a minute. This one. Here you can see that this first choice. What is this first choice? Then you can have this list of items that you put into, and then only from that one he's selected this one, personal localite. And in second choice, maybe he again choose personal localite, but it will not take, because in first preference he have chosen this personal localite. So he needs to select from the rest of the items. So like that only you can have 3 choices, like responses can be elicited. Similarly, there is an option. If you see this is a question, and then you have this settings button here in right hand side. In question row, in any question row, you have a settings button in right hand side. So you can click on this settings button. So here one option is there, that mandatory response. If you need to fix that this response is essential for submission of this form and for getting information. So you need to put into yes button or otherwise no. And again, you have a skip logic here in left hand side. Below settings, you have question options, skip logic, and validation criteria. So in skip logic, this format, this actually shows that when you click on this skip logic, then two option comes: add a condition or manually enter your skip logic in Excel form. So we will not go to this code portion. We will have a condition here. So if you click on that condition button, then then this comes, and here you have list of questions, earlier questions. As I have selected the first one, so there is no question before that, so it is not showing. But if you are selecting like what I have said before, like do you have are you married, are you married? So if a person answers yes, then only question of spouse comes. So when the skip logic format works in that direction only. Where here the button which shows this question will only be displayed if the following conditions apply. Then if you click on this blue button, and before that if you have questions like are you married, then you need to select that question. I will show you in below portion so that you can have this understanding. Like just a minute. Like if we see this one, number 14 and number or number this one 11 and 14 no 14 no 11 total land holding tea growing. This one we can check this who primarily looks after tea plantation. So we put here a condition: who primarily looks after tea plantation, male, female, both. These three were option. And here 17A, if you see that number of family male members associated with tea growing, we put a skip logic here. See, we put a skip logic here that who primarily looks after tea plantation. This question is equal to male. If this question is equal to male, then and also if this question is equal to both male as well as both, then only comes the question of number of family members male family members associated with tea growing. If in tea plantation male members and male and female of the family members are associated, then only question comes that how many male members are associated with tea growing. So we put a skip logic here that who primarily looks after tea plantation, if male or if it is equal to both, then only this question comes. So this kind of skip logic technique can be used in order to shorten your survey for if certain answer is coming like no, only female members are taking care of tea cultivation, then we will not go for that how many male members are associated with tea cultivation. So this question will not appear. So accordingly, we will fix this thing. So after preparing this kind of questionnaire, what we do, we save this project there. We save this project, and before saving also you can have this option, that preview form. So after preparing certain things, you go to preview form and see that whether what you have intended has been prepared or not. Accordingly, you modify your schedule or online format. So after preparing this, what we do is we check from preview form, then save this form, and after saving, we will have after saving, what we will do, we will deploy. Like if it is coming, we'll show. So first, I will ask you to prepare 8 to 10 questions. Any question with format you have seen, 8 to 10 question, or for that matter, as time is short, 5 to 6 question you prepare and save this format, and we will see how to collect data with this format. So please prepare 5 to 6 questions in your Kobo toolbox platform and save it so that we can deploy it for data collection through Kobo Collect application. So once you prepare this, your form, 5 to 6 questions, what I have asked, if you prepare your form, then go to the second tab, form option, and put deploy. Once you completed your format making, then only you can go to this tab. So I will wait for 5 minutes. You prepared 3 to 4 questions or 5 questions in your own, and then we'll go with the data collection procedure.
नाग सर आगे बढ़िए, हो गया है.
Okay, sir. So after making these 5 to 6 questions, you need to deploy under form part. If you see this form section, in form section, you deploy this one. Okay. Once you have deployed, you have a link here. So you can copy this link. You can copy this link. Here you can have this link. You can copy this link and submit it. To the intended respondent or to the enumerator, project enumerators. So if you are having project enumerators who are going to the field, they are having this link. They then use their Kobo collect application to get this data. So I think that everyone has made their schedule with 4 to 5 questions and deployed their schedule and copied their link so that it can be shared with others.
Sir,
Now, yes,
sir,
yes, madam.
sir, how it is different from Google Form? There also we copy the link and we can send it to. How it is different?
Madam, this Kobo collect, this Kobo toolbox has a various kinds of data you can take up here. Like you have the GPS coordinates you can take up here. You can have offline data collection mode. Even if you do not have this link, do not have this internet connection, you can collect this.
हाँ वही दिखा दीजिए सर, बिना नेट के भी कैसे कलेक्ट होगा वो दिखा दीजिए.
हाँ, ये फॉर्म बिल्ट अप तक हो गया अगर, तो
Yes,
इसके
sir,
बाद
हो
हम लोग डेटा कलेक्शन प्रोसीजर में जाएंगे. तो
लिंक
उसके लिए
कॉपी करने के बाद शेयर कैसे करेंगे? शेयर दिस प्रोजेक्ट,
वो लिंक को शेयर कर दीजिए जिसको भी चाहिए.
शेयर
उनको
कहाँ से शेयर
व्हाट्सएप पे या मेल पे कहीं भी कर देंगे ना सर.
हाँ हाँ, व्हाट्सएप मेल पे किसी में भी शेयर.
शेयर दिस प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ होता है इसमें करेंगे ना.
इसके बाद हम लोग कोबो कलेक्ट को अपने मोबाइल डिवाइस में इंस्टॉल करेंगे. मोबाइल में ये एंड्रॉयड बेस्ड एक सॉफ्टवेयर है जो गूगल प्ले स्टोर में एप्लीकेशन है जो गूगल प्ले स्टोर में अवेलेबल है. एंड द नेम इज कोबो कलेक्ट. कोबो कलेक्ट. So after installing this Kobo collect, we will have this kind of application.
Sir, wait, sir.
Yes.
कोबो कलेक्ट.
Kobo collect.
सर कॉन्फ़िगर विद QR कोड आ रहा है.
ये आ रहा है देखिए ना ऐसा वाला.
हाँ, दो ऑप्शन है, कॉन्फ़िगर विद QR कोड और मैनुअली इंटर प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल्स.
क्या करें सर, मैनुअली करें?
हाँ, मैनुअली भी कर सकते हैं और QR कोड से मैनुअल करेंगे तो ये URL एड्रेस देना पड़ेगा. मतलब ये ऐसा है कि when you have this online Kobo toolbox platform, whatever information you have provided during login process, this needs to be put into this application.
Okay.
So जब ये एप्लीकेशन में ये वही इंफॉर्मेशन आप पुट करेंगे, उसके बाद आपका कॉन्फ़िगर हो जाएगा कोबो टूलबॉक्स के साथ कोबो कलेक्ट इकट्ठा.
और QR कोड से अगर ये करते कॉन्फ़िगर करते हैं तो सर
QR कोड आपके उस फॉर्मेट में होगा.
मोबाइल से सर वो आ ही नहीं रहा है कोड, QR कोड नहीं आ रहा है.
आप उससे मैनुअली करिए मैडम.
मैनुअली के बाद
URL
मैनुअली पुट अप करिए.
URL में क्या देंगे?
यूआरएल जो आपके प्रोजेक्ट होम पे जो है ना, ये ऊपर में kf या kc.kobo-toolbox कुछ होगा आपके यूआरएल में, जो Kobo-toolbox के।
तो मतलब एक ही सिस्टम में हमें खोलना होगा?
ना ना ना, ऐसा नहीं है। आप सिर्फ यूआरएल को कॉपी करके ले लीजिए मोबाइल में, उसी को पुट अप करिए उसमें,
तो मोबाइल में लीजिए सर, इसको व्हाट्सएप में।
या फिर देख के आप टाइप कर लीजिए।
हाँ टाइप कर लेते हैं, बहुत है बड़ा, होम पेज में होम। तो बहुत टीडीएस टाइप का है कॉपी करना, मतलब टाइप करना।
तो बेसिक प्रोसेस यही है कि कोबो को इंस्टॉल जब हो जाएगा, फिर लॉगिन करके कॉन्फ़िगर करना है आपके वेबसाइट कोबो टूलबॉक्स और कोबो कलेक्ट इकट्ठा। तो कोबो
बिना
कलेक्ट
नेट
में,
के सर मोबाइल पे चलेगा?
हाँ सॉरी,
बिना नेट के भी मोबाइल पे डेटा कलेक्शन हो जाएगा?
हाँ, वंस यू हैव इंस्टॉल्ड एंड डाउनलोडेड फॉर्म, देन उसके बाद आपको जरूरत नहीं है मोबाइल डेटा कलेक्शन के लिए इंटरनेट का।
ठीक है सर।
ये यूआरएल कहाँ से आएगा, कॉपी करना होगा उससे?
वही जो क्वेश्चन बना है वही है।
पहले मैडम कर लिया यूआरएल, यूआरएल जो हमने बनाया क्वेश्चन ऊपर में यूआरएल है उसकी।
जब आपका when you have completed login in Kobo Collect application, the first work you need to do is download form. डाउनलोड फॉर्म पे जाके क्लिक करना होगा। जब आप डाउनलोड फॉर्म पे क्लिक करेंगे, उसके बाद आपको दिखेगा कि ये लेफ्ट टू राइट ऐसे ही सीक्वेंशियली स्टेप्स आएगा आपके, जैसे इसमें स्टेप्स वाइज आया है वैसे ही आपके कोबो में लॉगिन करने के बाद जब डाउनलोड करेंगे, डाउनलोडेड फॉर्म पे ये दिखाएगा, जिस नाम से आपने फॉर्म बनाया था, प्रोजेक्ट को शुरू किया था, वो प्रोजेक्ट का नाम दिखाएगा, जिसमें इसमें लिखा हुआ है इंटरक्रॉपिंग प्रोडक्शन एंड इनकम सर्वे, वैसे ही आपका जो भी प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है वो दिखाएगा। और उसके बाद उसमें जब क्लिक करेंगे, फिर ये हो जाएगा आपका ये इनिशिएशन हो जाएगा डेटा कलेक्शन का। जब ये स्टार्ट न्यू फॉर्म करेंगे और एक एक करके फॉर्म को आपको भरना होगा और सबमिट करना होगा। सेम प्रोसेस है, इसमें सिर्फ एक चीज अलग है, वो क्या है कि दिस यू कैन सेव दिस फॉर्म एज ड्राफ्ट। ड्राफ्ट में आप सेव करके रख सकते हैं कि आपको लगा कि ये इंफॉर्मेशन को थोड़ा क्रॉस चेक करने का जरूरत है, तो ये लेटर ऑन स्टेज में भी आप ड्राफ्ट में वो करेक्शन कर सकते हैं। दूसरा चीज है कि रेडी टू सेंड, जो आफ्टर दिस ड्राफ्ट ऑप्शन देयर इज एन ऑप्शन कॉल्ड रेडी टू सेंड। दैट मींस यू हैव send this मतलब you have finalized your data collection and this is ready for sending, and once अगर एक ऐसे स्टेज में है कि रेडी टू सेंड और उस स्टेज में अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट अवेलेबल है तो वो सेंड दिखा देगा। अगर इंटरनेट नहीं है और आपने फाइनलाइज कर लिया तो देन यू विल हैव दिस रेडी टू सेंड बटन में उतना फॉर्म आपको दिखाएगा, और वो कनेक्ट मोबाइल में तब वो अल्टीमेटली सर्वर को सेंड होगा।
सर
हेलो, यस
सर कह रहे हैं कि फॉर्म तो हमने बना ही लिया है ना उसमें उसमें अपने लैपटॉप में, तो यहाँ पर तो स्टार्ट न्यू फॉर्म करने की जरूरत नहीं है सर।
सी लैपटॉप में आपने एक फॉर्म डेवलप किया, एक प्रोजेक्ट इनिशिएट किया, जिसमें हमने बोला था कि 8 से 10 क्वेश्चन का एक फॉर्मेट बना लीजिए।
हाँ हाँ
तो वो जब आपका प्रोजेक्ट बन गया उसके बाद आपको क्या करना था, कोबो कलेक्ट ऐप को जब इंस्टॉल कर लिए और इंस्टॉल करके आपके जो प्रोजेक्ट इन्यूमरेटर्स है उनके मोबाइल में कोबो कलेक्ट ऐप को इंस्टॉल कर दिए और करने के बाद वही लॉगिन इंफॉर्मेशन देके लॉगिन करवा दिए। एंड जब लॉगिन हुआ कोबो कलेक्ट ऐप में, तब ये आपके कोबो जो टूलबॉक्स के पोर्टल है उसके साथ कॉन्फ़िगर्ड हो गया, मतलब आपका प्रोजेक्ट इसमें साथ सिंक्रोनाइज हो गया। और उस सिंक्रोनाइज करने के लिए लास्ट स्टेप है कि इसमें डाउनलोड फॉर्म है, डाउनलोड फॉर्म पे जाके क्लिक करके उस फॉर्म को डाउनलोड कर लेना है, तब अल्टीमेटली आपका वो फॉर्म इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा इस कोबो कलेक्ट ऐप में।
फिर से वही तो पूछ रहे हैं सर कि नया फॉर्म तो बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो तो डाउनलोड ही बस करना है ना।
बस डाउनलोड ही करना है। डाउनलोड करके आपके पास ऑप्शन दिखाएगा कि कौन सी फॉर्म, अगर 4-5 फॉर्म है उसमें से एक फॉर्म को आपको सिलेक्ट करना है तो उसी फॉर्म को दिखाएगा और उसी फॉर्म का इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना है। ठीक है, तो आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग ए पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म which you are intended to collect data from the respondent, तो उसको जब सिलेक्ट कर लेंगे, डाउनलोड कर लेंगे और फिर स्टार्ट न्यू फॉर्म करके उसका एक एक फॉर्म का आप रिस्पॉन्स ले सकते हैं इंडिविजुअल से एंड ड्राफ्ट में सेव कर सकते हैं। जब फाइनलाइज हो जाएगा और सबमिशन नहीं हो पाया क्योंकि आपके इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं है, तब रेडी टू सेंड में दिखाएगा एंड देन एक बार इंटरनेट कनेक्शन जब आप प्रॉपर जगह में आ जाएंगे, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन रहेगा, तब वो सेंड हो जाएगा। जब ये सेंड हो गया उसके बाद एक्चुअली फिर आपको आपके लॉगिन के इंफॉर्मेशन में जो आपके जो भी ये है जो भी प्रोजेक्ट आपने रन किए उसमें क्लिक करेंगे तो सॉरी उसमें ये समरी में दिखाएगा कितना क्वेश्चन है, किया किसने जमा किया है, कितना क्या है। और इसमें से अगर आप जैसे मान के चलिए जैसे इधर आ जाएगा रिपोर्ट्स एक ऑप्शन है, ये रिपोर्ट ऑप्शन में जाएंगे, डेटा के अंदर रिपोर्ट है, रिपोर्ट ऑप्शन में जाएंगे तो ये रिपोर्ट दिखा देगा जो भी रिपोर्ट आपको चाहिए। ठीक है, ये रिपोर्ट फॉर्मेट में दिखाएगा कि क्या क्या ऑप्शन कैसे कैसे वो आया है। और अगर आप डाउनलोड में जाएंगे तो ये एक्सेल फॉर्मेट में डाउनलोड कर देगा, ये एक्सेल फॉर्मेट में डाउनलोड कर देगा। और जब ये डाउनलोड हो जाएगा, जैसे हमारे ये रिस्पॉन्स हमें ऐसे एक्सेल शीट में आ गया था, ऐसे एक्सेल शीट में आ गया था। तो आपको उसमें फिर डाउनलोड करके वो एक्सेल शीट को आप डेटा क्लीनिंग के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं और फाइनलाइजेशन ऑफ योर रिपोर्ट। तो so this is the process of collecting this data through Kobo toolbox and Kobo collect application। और इसमें आपको और एक चीज हेल्प कर सकते हैं, अभी और 1 मिनट में मैं खत्म कर दूंगा कि दिस है कि ट्रबल शूटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, कि आपको if you feel any kind of problems in Kobo toolbox, like we have faced a problem when we deployed our survey questionnaire, we are constantly getting error messages, so we didn't know how to resolve this. So we go to this community kobotoolbox.org and there is dedicated group of person, they instantaneously help us how to detect these errors and can easily deploy our service sheet. So this community Kobo toolbox, this will be helpful when we practically encountered any kind of problem during this data collection or data form deployment. And another one is support.kobotoolbox.org. This you have ample number of topic wise videos where you can see each one of them and have a glance and keep yourself try in the portal. So in the ये दो website है, these two websites will be handy during this practical development and deployment of forms for digital data collection. So I hope that during this presentation you have a glimpse of this structure of Kobo toolbox as well as this Kobo collect applications, which is very much helpful for digital collection, digital data collection. And I hope that in your future projects you will use this tool for getting this kind of information. Thank you.
सर नाग सर एक क्वेश्चन है
Yes, yes, sir.
सर जो हम लोग क्वेश्चन बना लिए थे उसके बाद डिप्लॉयड में जाने के बाद डाउनलोड कहाँ से करेंगे उसको समझ में
डाउनलोड करेंगे कोबो एप्लीकेशन में, मतलब कोबो कलेक्ट ऐप में।
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा माइक से करो।
जो आपने डिप्लॉयमेंट मतलब क्या कि आपका ये फॉर्म बन के तैयार हो गया और आपने ये डिप्लॉय कर दिया कि ये अभी रेडी फॉर कलेक्टिंग डेटा। तो अभी आपके पास प्रोजेक्ट इन्यूमरेटर्स है, उनके पास मोबाइल है, उसके मोबाइल में आपने कोबो कलेक्ट ऐप दे दिया और कोबो कलेक्ट ऐप में आपने आपका लॉगिन इंफॉर्मेशन देके दिए और फिर उस फॉर्म को डाउनलोड करवाए। डाउनलोड ऑप्शन जो है कोबो कलेक्ट ऐप में, उससे डाउनलोड करवाए इस फॉर्म को जो आपने डेवलप किया। वो जब सिंक हो गया उसके बाद न्यू फॉर्म करके आपको डेटा कलेक्शन वो कर पाएगा एक एक।
ठीक सर, ओके थैंक यू
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
How this Kobo collect app or Kobo collect toolbox is advantageous over the normal how we do we can also compile our questionnaire in a Word and mail it to the respondents and get the data. Means how it is advantageous or what is the benefit over that forms of that mode?
Yes.
That also involves internet. This also involves internet.
Yes, ma'am. As I have previously mentioned, categorically, this Kobo Collect app works in offline mode also. If one time you installed and downloaded form in your mobile phone or tablet, then you can collect this data in offline mode also.
But now, sir, nowadays net is very common. In previous 5 to 10 years back, this net availability was an issue, but now it is not an issue.
But still, if you go to rural places, you will face internet problems. So that is for that case. And one more advantage is there.
Basic background. If you remember, in my first slide, I have said that this basic background when this Kobo toolbox is developed is basically for developmental agencies, and they work in a very remote areas where we actually do not have the luxury of mobile network or internet network. So many of the time this is helpful in that situation also.
But downloading was internet only.
And
other place it will remain stored over there.
And other thing is that you can have GPS location tagged with this kind of thing, with the in which zone, which region you are collecting data. This can also be tracked. Like if you see here we have this geolocation. You see this is this C column, D column. You see this is the geolocation tag. So this can also be captured.
Thank you.
So thank you.
Is it possible to integrate pictures also with this? Suppose we want to click the picture of a farmer. Is it possible to incorporate that also in this?
Sorry.
Suppose we have clicked the photograph of a farmer And if we want to have that also in the Excel sheet. So is it possible to integrate pictures also?
This is also media format also supported by this. This is also supported.
ये बताएं कि picture
If you have video or audio, this can also be incorporated during data collection procedure.
Okay, so I think there are no more questions. So thank you, Arindam, for your session. I think it was useful to all of you, and you'll be using this in your day-to-day life. So thanks a lot, Arindam, for accepting our request.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can share the slides with me. I'll share it with the person.
Yes, I'll share. Thank you very much.